An aluminium producer faced costly issues with its original pump packing system, from frequent leaks and sleeve wear to wasteful water evaporation. In need of a durable fix, they turned to AESSEAL. AESSEAL recommended a conversion kit for their heavy-duty slurry pumps, featuring the heavy-duty double slurry mechanical seal and SWO2 water management system. This robust setup eliminated leaks, stabilized fluid flow, and extended seal life, ideal for heavy-duty slurry applications. The results were immediate. Maintenance and water evaporation costs plummeted, and the working environment stayed cleaner. After seeing the success on one pump in January 2017, the company quickly converted a second. With the mean time between failures extended from just 2 weeks to 18 months, the conversion paid for itself in 3 months, saving over $217,000 annually. AESSEAL is now the plant's exclusive mechanical seal supplier, trusted for its reliable, cost-saving solutions. For a service that makes a difference, call AESSEAL today.